the most important thing today is it's Corky's late birthday celebration. Kasa Corky namin gagawin. At the same time, today din namin gagawin ang gender reveal for our second baby. Ako lang ang may alam, wala kasi Papalo. But I'm the one na unang nakaalam ng gender ng aming anak. This time, the father, the dad is the first to know kung ano man yung gender ng aming anak. Ayun ako, I'm sure everyone will cry. I'm the one who called yung parang balloon to remember. Bigyan nyo kami nung parang gender reveal box for our gender reveal today. I'm the one who organized it. I called them. Then ako yung nag-set ng... Ako hindi kinakabahan. Ako hindi kinakabahan.
You lift it up like that, okay? Okay? Wow!
Yes, cake.
Siya ang naglagay ng candle sa cake niya.
Oh, wow. Birthday. Okay, we sing na.
We sing, baby. Ready,
go.
Happy birthday, Turkey. Happy birthday, Corky. Happy birthday, dear Corky. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish.
Close your eyes.
Wait, one more time.
Oh, again? You want again? Again, baby? Again. You make a wish, Corky.
Close eyes first, then you make a wish. What do you want?
Wait, let's sing. Oh, oh, again.
I love you.
Again, baby. Let's sing again. Happy birthday, Corky. I'll make a wish. Close eyes. Hi guys! You saw that clip. We celebrated Corky's birthday salubong. And you'll notice na wala masyadong handa dun sa mga clips na yon. And hindi pa talaga yun yung totoong birthday cake niya. Today, on his actual birthday, we are just gonna do something really, really simple. We're gonna go to Trinoma. Gusto lang niya mag-ride ng train doon. And then we're probably just gonna buy him the toys that he wants and he deserves. This whole day sa mall is for Corky alone. And the reason why we're having a little simple celebration on his mismong birthday is because we are gonna make his real birthday celebration with guests, birthday party sa bahay. And that's gonna be happening on February 8th. The reason why it had to be on February 8th was because we're doing the last finishing touches of the house. We're gonna be celebrating it at Casa Corky. So this is basically our first official party at the house na ita-test drive na namin lahat. Although our occupancy permit is not here yet, it is still ongoing. We're not gonna sleep there. We're just gonna spend Corky's celebration there. Yung handa, the pool won't be ready though. Pero at least, makukuha pa rin namin yung atmosphere, yung feel ng bahay. And syempre, Corky ang may-ari ng bahay. So, kailangan talaga na doon siya magsa-celebrate ng birthday at kailangan siya yung unang makaka-celebrate ng celebration doon sa bahay. Kaya rin namin ginawa yung birthday celebration niya sa February 8 dahil isasabay na namin yung gender reveal. We will be finding out the gender of this baby this February 5. So, sakto sa February 8 yung celebration. After Corky's blowing of candles and all that, isa-segue na namin yung gender reveal sa aming mga close family relatives. Pero guys, don't get me wrong, this is gonna be a big birthday celebration. Ang importante lang kasi for today and sa February 8 is to make Corky happy. And our only visitors at the house are gonna be his two bestest friends in the whole wide world, yung mga pinsan niya, si Jandro and si Brandon. Yeah guys, this is gonna be a really special vlog. break muna tayo sa mga updates ng bahay kasi patapos na talaga and baka nagsasawa na kayo. So, this is something a little different. Today is Corky's day. So, ito muna ang gagawin natin. Then, February 8 is his real birthday celebration.
You're going to ride the train with Daddy.
Matchy-matchy with Daddy, oh. Nice shoes!
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Tapos ako pambahay pa na slippers. But I'm not gonna wear that, guys. Don't worry.
Sabi Lolo, pag daw nanalo siya loto, buy daw siya ng train talaga.
Bibili si Papa Lo ng buong island for Corky na may mga dinosaurs na. May mini Jurassic Park siya dun. Oh, yung Dino Land bibili na ni Papa. We put gel on Corky's hair.
Hindi pa, umuulan ngayon dito.
I love you, Papa Lo.
Mao.
Oh, love you, Papa Lo daw.
Corky, what do you want for your birthday?
Cake? Oh, cake. Isama sila ni Daddy.
Wow! Hi, Corky. What is that? It's a leash. Kids
Ano?
safety leash.
Extra with ano.
Ha?
Kaduktong ng bitura.
Yan.
Okay, wait lang ha.
Hindi itong floor din. Smile, Cookie. Wow. Anong heras? Kaya?
Mali sa strap eh.
Kaya,
Ako na.
masikip.
Then may mali sa strap.
Dahil super kulit si Corky, maraming kidnappings ang nangyayari, guys. Be responsible for your kids. Kami, we just wanna be safe na hindi talaga mawawala si Corky sa amin. Kasi guys, napakakulit niya. Grabe.
Short clip.
Wow! What do you?
Order? What are you gonna order? Can I say your both?
Bangus belly.
What about?
Yes, what is that?
Mel?
Watermelon. Tomato. Wow. Okay.
Nakakaiba yung palabok nila. Ano ba yung mga style?
We have small, medium, large po. Yung medium ang
And then last na lang is the bakso.
Right now, gonna lang. What is this?
What?
Oil? This one? How about this one?
What?
Glass. Glass for water. And
Ooh.
oh, very good.
Corky, how old are you?
Oh,
4? What do you want for your birthday?
hey.
Cake! Cake! Yummy? Where's Yummy? Yummy! Cheers! Slowly, baby! Slowly! Gentle, gentle, gentle. See, like that, okay? One more time. Cheers! Yan. Corky, look at my shake. Oops, careful. What color is this?
Wait.
White. Hindi kami nag-breakfast, guys. Gutom na ako. Palabok. Para may pansin. Hungry. Corky's hungry. What is that, Corky? Huh? Sinigang.
Hindi lang ako pag meron pa timer.
Is it yummy, Daddy? Corky got lots of yummy giveaways. Thank you so much, Manang.
Kaya. Tamis.
What about cake?
That's your cake.
Can I have?
Daddy, that's my cake.
You want? Oh, here.
Sing sila ng happy birthday. Di ko lang nakuhanan.
Okay, ano yung hawak mo? Go inside there. Ito. What are you looking for? Is it your birthday? Baby. Yep. Oh, come on. Go around first. What are you holding? Okay, you have that dinosaur na. Yes. Okay, you have that na po. You have that na. Yes, you have that na. Iba naman, come on. Okay, give daddy. You have this na. Sa bahay. Iba naman, there. Okay, meron ka na yan, baby. Maybe you have that. Oh, sige, bala ka. Ito din. Walang gusto mo. Sige. Ibok. Ay, okay kami yan. Come on. Let's go to... Where do you wanna go? What's that? Who's that? Hey, mautog ikaw. Do you want to kiss? Huh? No, na. Go, walk. Come on. There, go forward. Okay, cobra. Kalokalike mo na nanay. Okay, there's mask, oh. You want the mask? Mas pay sample ba kayo ng mask? Mga mask. 499. Okay, oh. Whoa. You want that?
Yes.
Yes. You will wear it. Where? Oh, it's supposed to be you and sticks. Here, oh. Wow. Fish. You want that? You want to chest? You want to... Oh, you have that na. Yes, you have that na sa bahay. Oh, Blue's Clues, yes. Blue's Clues. What's that? What's this, Cookie? Xylophone. Oh. What? Can you see your reaction? Oh, there's a car, oh. Like to ride it?
Yes.
What did you get?
A book? Is that a book? Coloring book? What else?
What did Daddy get you?
What else did you get?
Oh, wow.
What else?
Whoa. Another dinosaur book. What else, Corky? Oh, that's Paw Patrol. Oh.
Tiger? Is that a tiger? A spider?
Oh my. Wow, Corky. You're Spider-Man?
Are you Spider-Man now?
Oh, what's
Dinosaur, animals na maliliit. Pero parang hindi
Oh, fruit.
Bibili tayong kitchen, no?
You want the kitchen?
Yeah.
Ayun na.
Okay, oh. Like this? No.
No. You gonna cook? I'll put it away. We're gonna open it at the house, okay? When we get home.
You gonna?
Did you say thank you to Daddy?
Say thank you.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Kiss Daddy.
Kiss Daddy. Say,
what's up guys? Sorry, medyo ngongo ako. Bulol lang ako, ngongo pa. Pony. May ubo. Asawa naman ng Diyos, hindi tayo parang nagkatrangkaso or what. Nag-shoot ako kanina for an independent film. Tinawagan ako ni Robsy. Robsy yan, sobrang big brother ko na yan. Parang manager, big brother. Kasi ang dami niya ng trabaho binigay sa akin. Rackets, guestings, movies, alam mo na lahat, na halos lahat na nabigay sa akin. Ay! So thank you brother, shout out to you, Robsy, the main man, Mang Kanor. So now, I'm on my way sa Casa Corky. Hindi ko pa sila kasama. Kasi nga, doon ko na pinadeliver yung gender reveal box from Balloon to Remember. The most important thing today is, it's Corky's late it's Corky's late birthday celebration. Sa Casa Corky namin gagawin. At the same time, today din namin gagawin ang gender reveal for our second baby. Ako lang ang may alam, well, kasi Papalo, but I'm the one na unang nakaalam ng gender ng aming anak.
Hindi ko alam yung gender ng baby. Honestly guys, like cross my heart and hope to die, I do not know the gender of this baby.
Ang hindi may alam is si Iko at si Nana and the rest of the family. Binago ko lang yung kadalasang nangyayari na both parents they don't know kung ano yung gender ng anak nila. Then diba, kakaroon ng gender reveal. This time, the father, the dad, is the first to know kung ano man yung gender ng aming anak.
Si Mark lang ang nakakaalam and my dad. Kasi Mark already told my dad. Nobody else knows, not even my mom. Si Mark ang nag-ayos ng gender reveal. Siya ang may kausap and idea nito.
I'm the one who called yung parang Balloon to Remember. Yan. To B2R. And thank you. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Christy, for accommodating us. Medyo sobrang tight yung schedule. Biglaan. Parang 2 days before, but still you accommodated us. Maraming salamat po. Grant nyo kami, or nabigyan nyo kami nung parang gender reveal box for our gender reveal today. So I'm the one who organized it. I called them, then ako yung nag-set ng delivery sa Lalamove baka naman. And then basta ako lahat coordinate din, syempre yun sa payment and everything. So kaya din malakas yung loob ko na ako lang yung may alam. Malakas yung loob ko na alamin na ako lang yung may idea kung ano yung gender namin. Gender na anak namin. Kaya ko ba?
But any gender will do, guys. Alam nyo yan. Mga mommies, daddies, any gender will do. Basta happy and healthy yung baby. That's all that matters.
I know. I'm sure everyone will cry. I'm sure I'm gonna cry also. But we're gonna have a baby.
So, I'm really nervous. This has been the longest. So, we had the appointment on February 5. And it's February 8, so it's been the longest 3 to 4 days of waiting. And finally, today is the day na malalaman ko. And sobrang kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Finally, guys, magkakaroon na rin ng kapatid si Corky. Matagal na siyang alam kong naghahanap ng kalaro. Yes? What's that? For Corky? Yes, that's my name. What's my name? Eol. Minsan Eol, minsan Bicol.
This gender reveal will be a very memorable one.
Hi guys. Taping pa to eh.
Sorry, shooting.
Sana all na hanggang 12 o'clock lang. Quick disclaimer lang kasi if ever may mga ibang kamag-anak ko, kamag-anak namin, or friends namin na makikita to, guys, hindi to party. Alam ko parang celebration and all, pero talaga to itong official party. Hindi pa nga nabibless yung bahay and wala pa nga kaming occupancy permit. Pero pinaalam namin to sa contact namin sa City Hall kung okay lang ba mag-party kami.
Basically, it's the party. We just need to celebrate Corky's birthday and syempre yung our second baby gender reveal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma-experience lang iba. Ma-feel lang. Test drive.
Ito na, hindi siya full celebration.
Yes, test drive ng bahay and we haven't moved in there yet. We are waiting for the occupancy permit. Bale, after this celebration, we are going home here to the home base of mommy. Pinaalam namin to and they said it's okay lang as long as we don't stay there yet. Guys, sa mga comments, don't come after us.
Don't explain mo. It's okay.
Yun nga, sa mga ibang kamag-anak namin and close friends namin, we will invite you all to the house. Ayaw ko lang may marinig ng tampo or anything kasi hindi pa talaga tapos yung bahay. Wala pang gamit, wala pang mga upuan.
It's almost done. Pero
It's almost
fully. Basically, you're gonna invite family and friends kapag talagang 100% na yung bahay.
Exactly.
It's almost done.
Yes, so the visitors you're gonna see later are just my very, very close
Intimate lang.
family na talagang sanay sa gulo, sanay sa dumi. Also, nandyan din yung team na tumulong sa amin na gumawa ng bahay. Sila Tito Romel, JB, and of course the team. So it's not really an official party at hindi pa nga nabibless yung bahay. So yun lang, gusto ko lang i-put out there, guys. And it's also Papa Bim's birthday. Yun talaga yung main reason. And it's just so special to celebrate it at home, at the house, because I know yung mga parents ni Mark, yung spirits nila nandun pa rin sa bahay na yun. And I'm sure they're gonna be celebrating along with us. And happy birthday, Papa Bim, in heaven!
See you later.
See you later, Papa Bim. Hi, Kuya! Uwa! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Tito Romel!
Happy birthday, Quickie!
I know!
Happy birthday, Quickie!
First time we're using the garage to park. Hi! How are you? Tito Romel!
Go to the house! Go to the house!
Yeah!
Go to the house! Go to the house!
Ganda, Tito! Wow! Ano sa tingin niyo? Sana, no? Feeling ko boy eh.
Pero may advantage kay Kuya.
Oo nga. Uy, sus! Dito ka, dito ka, dito ka.
Brandon, you sing happy birthday.
Okay. Blow ka ng cake mo. Blow the cake. Blow the cake.
Go to your cake. Koki, come here, come here. Koki, smile! Oo nga eh. Yan, 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 yan. Koki, Koki! Koki! Look here, baby! Smile! Koki! Oh my God, ang laki pala! Ang laki pala! Picture mo na, Daddy. Sing happy birthday! Happy birthday, Corky! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Corky! Happy birthday, Corky! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Corky! Again.
What do you want? What is this? Huh?
You guys want to eat the dinosaurs? Brandon,
Yeah,
John
be
Ro?
careful.
Huh? I think you should take off the ano. Don't open, guys! Here's the box. Ang laki pala, ma. Nagulat ako.
Pwede pala yung maliit lang.
Oo.
Kala ko, baby na yata yung laman yan eh.
Oo, nga eh.
Ano naman ang tao? Dito baking.
Okay.
Baby brother, baby sister.
Baby sister. Baby sister daw. There's ate.
Ayan. Ang dami. Ito, dati na.
Tito Romel! Kain na. Ayos na, oh. Gano'n na. Look at the sink. Wow.
Sino may iwan? Kasi sabi ni Lodi, bumili daw ako ng Red Horse.
Oy! Oy! Siyempre guys, nandito yung aming team ng bahay. Mga workers namin, contractor, engineer. Wow! Shy!
Oh my God! Yung soda ay soft drinks.
Birthday!
Ako hindi kinakabahan. Ako hindi kinakabahan. Babae ba o lalaki?
Girl!
Ako meron eh. Walang gender. Okay?
You lift it up like that, okay? Okay.
Baby boy, baby girl!
Baby girl!
Baby boy! Baby girl! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, out of ideas I don't know what to do.
Oh my gosh, Rana,
Most of the times I think I'll make it through. All that it takes is one image of you and it's shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little. Alone with my friends and we drink.
we're gonna have a baby girl. I know, I'm sure everyone will cry. I'm sure I'm gonna cry also, but parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na we're gonna have a baby girl after Corky. But I'm sure that everyone will be so happy. Corky, our Corky boy will be, I don't know, an older brother to our baby girl. I don't know if I'm ready to have a girl. I don't know. Ang hirap kasi ilagay sa utak na, ano yan, dami ng siraulong tao ngayon, di ba? Yung mga rape, yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa mundo. So, I'm sure it's gonna be sobrang, I mean, ayoko maging strict na dad dun sa babae, pero you know, let's see. I hope everything goes well. Kasi si Corky, malambing sa akin yan si Corky, pero syempre, sabi nga nila, ang anak na lalaki ay sobrang malambing sa mami. So sabi nila, pero pag mayroon akong anak na babae, sobrang malambing naman si daddy. So I'm looking forward to that. Pero syempre, I'll make sure na laging 50-50 yung attention na binibigay ko sa mga anak namin. Ayoko naman magkakaroon sila ng inggitan, nagkaroon sila ng tampuhan, di ba? Sila magiging magkakampi from day 1 up to the end. So guys, bye-bye.
One more.
And you?
shiver.
Oh no!
Oh no!